Whiskered catfish work as a team. They take a gulp of air at the surface and then belch it out underwater to create a net of bubbles. And that traps little fish. There are fish for everyone. And each species has its own technique for catching them. It's all very well having a big beak, but you've still got to know how to use it. This young pelican has a lot to learn and not long to do so. Maybe, like the catfish, teamwork is the answer. It's certainly working for the flock, and this pelican seems to be getting the hang of it. But surely it can't swallow that catfish. Trying to was a mistake.